If you ever wanted the best opportunity when it comes to trading signals, my friend, I want you to pay very close attention, because within this video, we will be covering the best trading signals for beginners. And if you're an advanced individual just looking to add to your trading arsenal, then you should pay attention as well. Now, who am I? My name is Errol Mueller, and I'm the owner and founder of EmpireDigest.com. So long story short, I've been on the internet since the year 2015, actually involved in the Forex trading markets. I used to trade myself. I used Forex trading robots. I do a lot of PAM trading, now involved in trading signals. And in actual fact, I used to sell my own Forex trading course. So I have about 10 years worth of experience now when it comes to the financial markets. And what I'm about to share with you is a trading signals provider. The owner of this trading signals VIP room is called Pat. His name is Pat. It's Trade with Pat. And in actual fact, let me just give you a little bit of background, and then I'm also going to delve into the statistics, and I'm going to share some statistics and results and reviews and everything with you just to validate everything that I'm sharing with you right now. Okay, so when it comes to these signals, in actual fact, just for the past month, they had it was just over 18% return on investment between Forex and gold. So he offers two signals. He offers Forex signals and he offers gold trading signals. But the two combined returned just over 18%. Now, think of this for a second. Hence the reason for saying I want you to pay very close attention. If you had a $10,000 investment with your broker, or a $50,000, or $100,000, or even $1 million investment with your broker, and you could have added another 18% on top of that capital. My friend, just think about that. That is mind-blowing within 1 month. And now you got to start thinking compound interest. Okay, so on average, the signal provider or these signals has got a win rate of 87%. And when it comes to the risk to reward ratio, it's got a risk of 1 and an average reward of 2. So 2 to 1. 2 reward, 1 risk. Sometimes even 3 reward, 1 risk. Now, from time to time, you will see trades bumping that up to 4 times, even 8 times reward to 1 risk. It just depends on how strong the trend is. And the best of it all is it even includes a copy trader. So should you want to automate the whole process, my friend, if you have never traded the Forex markets before, you are just looking at Forex trading signals right now. This is the first time. You've never been involved in the markets. You've heard about this thing called trading signals, and you want to get involved, or you want to get a family member involved, feel free to share this video with friends and family as well. Because like I said, this is for complete beginners as well. So it includes a copy trader. So if you want, you can attach the copy trader to your charts, etc. So when Pat or anyone, I think there are 2 or 3 guys within their VIP room that sends out signals. And if you want them to actually, as soon as they send a signal and they place a trade on their platform, it automatically places the trade on your platform. It's called copy trading. So if they move the stop loss, it automatically moves the stop loss on your account. If you want to automate the whole process, you can do that as well. If you don't know what you're doing and you just want them to be in control fully, you can do that as well. Okay, now before I share, I'm literally going to delve into details and share some more with you in order to, like I said, to show you the authority of Pat's VIP trading room, that it's been recommended by others. In actual fact, it's been recommended by a site that receives over 2.1 million visitors on average per month. Okay, now before we continue, on your screen right now is a disclaimer. Please take some time, pause this video, read that disclaimer, and let's continue along. I cannot guarantee anything. There is no guarantee that you will make money with this or that you will be successful. It's just a disclaimer. I have to get that out there. What I'm sharing with you is based on my personal opinion, my personal experience. So you're more than welcome to follow along. And if you want to join this VIP Signals Room, you're more than welcome to. I will share with you in just a second where you can get started with that as well. Now, I want you to watch a quick little video. In actual fact, this video is only 52 seconds long. So bear with me. Watch this video for the next 52 seconds.
The Trade with Pat VIP trading room's been running for over 4 years. We have over 2,500 members. We've sent thousands of winning trades, we have hundreds of 5-star reviews, and we use cutting-edge rule-based trading strategies to give you only the best possible trades. Now, I'm honored to be picked by Benzinga as the #1 trading signal room in 2025 because we're going to have another huge year. We send every trading signal via Telegram directly to your phone, and we even give you a free trade copier that will copy the trades directly from Telegram to your trading account so you can trade even when you're sleeping. So if you want to try the signals to earn while you learn, click the link here on Benzinga. Join the FX room if you want some Forex signals, join the gold room if you want some gold signals, or join both if you want them all. And I look forward to trading with you all 2020.
Now, so where do you get hold and how can you become part of this signals? And then like I said, I'm going to delve into the details of it. So just bear with me, stick with me. I don't want to make this video too long, but I want to show you how you can get access to these signals. Now, first link below this video will bring you over to this page. I'm the owner and founder of EmpireDigest.com, like I just mentioned, and it will bring you over to the Forex tab, which looks like this. And when you scroll down, the very first link that says #1 recommended trading signals VIP room, step-by-step instructions. When you click the Learn More button, at the time of me shooting this video, within the next 24 hours, this will be set up ready to go with 3 steps for you to follow. Step 1, just a quick introduction. Step 2 will be choosing a broker, which is extremely important for having a Forex trading broker. If you don't have one, if you have one, you should be all set up ready to go. But if you don't have one, it's important to have the right leveraged account, looking at extremely low spread, because the lower the spread, you don't want to get stopped out because the spread is too high. Now we'll delve into more details when you get to this page. For now, it says coming soon, because I know within the next 24 hours the 3 steps will be up, and you follow these 3 steps and then you will be able to access or get access to this VIP trading signals room. Now, like Pat just mentioned, that video you saw just now is the owner of this trading signals room. He's been listed by Benzinga. They actually rated him as the best overall Trade with Pat trading signals provider. Right there, you can see best Forex signals provider, and they gave you a short little review about him. Now, Benzinga receives, this website, Benzinga, receives over 2.1 or on average about 2 million visitors per month. My friend, that is crazy. That is phenomenal. So the amount of authority that they have given him, because they are such a big website, doesn't happen easily. It doesn't happen. They won't just go and rate you as one of the best signals providers, etc. out there if they don't think so. So you got to be very good at what you are doing before they will list you on their website. So that is a big thumbs up for Pat, and well done for getting listed on Benzinga if you are watching this video at any point in time. I was even trying to pull up the stats on SEMrush because I'm logged into my SEMrush account, and I wanted to see if I could pull up the statistics, but for some reason it is just loading forever, and I didn't want it to load for that long because I wanted to pull up the stats and show you the actual physical stats. Let's see if I can pull it up. Here we go. At this point in time, worldwide, for the month of November 2024, worldwide, they received 8.3 million. Just for that 1 month, they received 8.3 million visitors. My friend, that is crazy, and that is all for Benzinga.com. Okay, so I'm not promoting Benzinga. Please don't think I'm promoting them. I'm just sharing the authority with you. Now, next, what you can also do is you can head over to Trustpilot. What is Trustpilot? Trustpilot is a place very similar to Hello Peter, but where you list your company. For example, he's the owner of Forex Robot Nation. That's his business, and he's listed himself, and people can give you their honest opinion, their honest review. They can leave a review on Trustpilot. These are legit reviews, not any fake or scam or bot reviews. These are legit reviews. There are people that buys reviews, that pay people to put reviews on their site, but you will see it quickly because they only have 5-star, and it's like 99% 5-star ratings. Okay, so in actual fact, he's got very widespread reviews, and on average, he's got a 3.8 rating, which is about 4 stars. That is great. It's extremely great. Out of all of these reviews, at this point in time, he's got 130 reviews, and 59% of them, which is more than half, almost 60%, of 5-star reviews. Then you've got 7%, which is 4-star. Then you've got 10%, which is 3-star. So if you put all of these together, you're looking at about 60, 70, 77% or 76% of people are basically happy. They are over 50%. And then you've got 24% which are below average, which are below the 3-star mark. Okay, so that is also another good point out there. Now, I'm going to quickly take you to the Telegram, because you'll have to join the Telegram group. Now, in actual fact, at this point in time, the Telegram group consists of 12,555 monthly users at the time of me shooting this video. And I spoke to Pat, literally I can log into my emails and I can show you. I spoke to Pat, yesterday, this morning, and the previous day, talking about these signals, because I've been following Pat, I think for about the past 3 years. Now, this trading signals room has been going for 4 years now. I actually promote his Forex trading robot as well. It's called Forex Fury. Now, if you don't know what I'm talking about, on the top right hand side of this video, there's a notification popping up where you can watch that Forex Trading Fury review of mine. I'll give you my honest opinion, and I basically within the video tell Pat what he needs to look for, up this, and I just try and give some advice when it comes to the robot. But I've been promoting his robot for the past 2-3 years. And now I've also collaborated with him, and now I'm presenting to you as one of my loyal watchers and one of my loyal followers, or one of my loyal subscribers. I'm now giving you the opportunity to collaborate with us with these VIP trading signals. Now, on your screen right now, check this out. 90% of individuals watching my videos are not subscribed. Now, I want to ask you a question. Are you part of that 90%? If you are, right now, go ahead. If you want to, hit that subscribe button. Give this video a like so we can help this video rank as quickly as possible, as high as possible in the search engine, in order to help more people similar like yourself watching this video, looking for the best trading signals opportunities out there, so that they can watch this video and get started as well. Okay, so watch this video. If you want to share it with friends and family, leave me a comment. If there's anything specific you would like me to create a video on, just leave me a comment. Now, back to this. So he offers 2 signals. He offers Forex signals and he offers gold signals. As you can see, the Forex signals, you say you will receive 1 to 3 daily signals. And then he says, if I win, you win. Okay, that's just how it works, because he places the trades himself. He will not send you something that he doesn't trade. And that's where the free copy trader comes in as well, for MetaTrader 5 or MetaTrader 4. Now, if you want to automate the whole process, basically, you just want to sit back and see how your account grows and wins trades. And every now and then there's a losing trade. It happens, my friend. There is losing trades. So don't, when you get started, because I know you will want to get started, and I know you're going to join this trading signals, because it's got a success rate of about 87%. That is phenomenal. We'll get to that just now. So if you want to basically automate the whole process, you can check out the free copy trader that comes with it when you decide to join the FX VIP signals. And then there's a lot more for you to read about. Then he's got let me just go up slightly. Then he's got the gold signals, which is a new room where you will receive 3 to 5 signals per week. And in this group, there's about 600 members. And in the Forex group, there's slightly more. There's about 1,800 VIP members on the Forex signal side. Now, I spoke with Pat recently, and he said to me, Errol, we are currently over 2,600 members, active trading members, meaning active members that are subscribed, that are receiving these signals, that are trading these signals. Now, I know you watching this video right now, me putting this video on YouTube is going to easily add another 1,000 members on top of that 2,600 members as a minimum, and then it's just going to grow from there. In actual fact, his members are growing on a daily basis. So you watching this video right now, my friend, it's entirely up to you. And like I said, I'll share with you again. I think I did share it with you just now. I'll share. You can see this video is very unscripted because I'm talking to you from my heart. I will share with you just now again how you can get started with these trading signals. Now, then it gives you, we risk 1% per trade, works great with funded account challenges. So 1% of your account risk, my friend, that is almost nothing. So that determines the lot size. So if you've got $100,000 invested, you will risk 1% of that $100,000, which is $1,000 risk per trade. Okay. So that is how he calculates that. And then that will determine your lot size. So whether it be a micro account, a micro lot, which is 0.01, a mini lot, 0.1, or a standard lot, which is one lot, one full lot. And then it gives you a full on description here. So you will only get access to this Telegram group by following the steps that I'm about to lay out for you. So just bear with me. And then as you can see, just for last month, on the Forex side, they had a 14.33% gain at the time of me shooting this video, a gold gain of 4.43%, and a combined win rate of 87%. Now, these two combined is just over 18%. My friend, think of that. Think what that would do to your investment, to your growth, to your capital, if you could add another 18% on average per month, even if it's 10%, 15%, and then you start thinking compound interest. If you don't know what compound interest is, go Google compound interest calculator and start doing monthly compound interest, and you will see what that will accumulate to the end of the year. Let's say on average, you can balance it out at a 10% average gain per month. 10 months is 100% return on investment. 12 months is 120% without compound interest. Now start adding compound interest to that. Do you see the opportunity? If you see the opportunity, you see the big picture, drop me a comment below this video right now. Say, yes, Errol, I see the opportunity. I see the massive potential behind this, behind these trading signals. Next, then he offers you the packages, and I'm going to delve into these packages quickly. As you can see, you've got the monthly gold, which is $50 per month. That is the gold signals. Then you've got the Forex signals, which is $55 per month. Then you've got the monthly FX and gold, so Forex and gold signals at $99 per month, which is the most popular one. Then you've got the yearly Forex, you've got the lifetime gold, lifetime Forex, and then you've got the New Year special lifetime signals deal for Forex and gold combined of $749.99. Now, my recommendation before you just go ahead and jump to lifetime, test out. Like I said, this is the most popular. If you want to receive Forex and gold combined signals, then test out the monthly $99 signals for the next 6 months or even 12 months. And if you then see the return on investment, you see the positive gains, you see the growth of your account, you see everything in a positive light, and it actually works out the way you want it to work out, then you go and you join the lifetime. Whether it be gold, Forex, or then both combined, then you join the lifetime. If you feel after 3 months or 6 months that you are happy, or even after the first month, then you go ahead and you join the lifetime. You just get immediate access, pay one-time fee. It's a one-time fee, it's a once-off fee at the time of me shooting this video, of either $400 for gold, $500 for Forex, or combined $749.99 once-off fee. You don't have to pay ever again, and you will receive these signals lifetime as long as this VIP trading signals room exists. In actual fact, it's been going for 4 years, like I've mentioned, and 4 years is a long time to be in the market for, and having members with you and having members staying with you for 4 years on end. My friend, that is phenomenal. Okay, so going back, how do you get started? Let's do this. Just want to go back. So on my website, the first link in the description below this video, it will bring you over to this page right here, the Forex page. The first link, which is this one, recommended trading signals, click the learn more button. Once in the next, by the time you're watching this video, this page will most probably be up. Follow the 3 steps on this page, and then you will be set up all ready to go, active. Most probably you can be active and start trading within the next 24 hours. If all goes well, your broker sets up, the broker accepts you if you choose a brand new broker, and then yes, you can be up and running. If not, maybe within the next 48 hours, which is basically 2 days, you will be up and ready to start receiving signals and start making money, my friend. Once again, there's no guarantees, but I know because I've been following Pat for quite some time. Okay, so once again, thank you for watching. Hit that subscribe, leave me a comment, give this video a like, and may you watching this video have a blessed, wonderful, happy, loving, financially successful life. Everything that is good and wonderful, may you be blessed with that. Okay, so thank you for watching. Stay tuned. I will see you in my next video. Enjoy.